Hey guys, welcome to my channel. By the title you can already tell what this video is gonna be, but I don't want to make this intro too long. This haul is gonna definitely be a little bit longer than my last one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I have are these stickers. They're butterfly stickers and they're brown. These are perfect for the fall, but y'all, fall is about to be over, so we can definitely get some use out of them next year. And then I also got these letters. They're just some old English letters in silver. I thought they were really cute and just something I could add to the collection. So yeah, definitely will be using those. And those are the only two stickers that I got from Shein. But y'all, let's get into these charms. Like, y'all, I got so many different charms. And I'm so excited for the sets that I'm about to come up with. Okay, so the first set of charms that I got were these like gold geometric type of ones. They had different shapes in here. Oh yeah. So there was some circles, some squares, some ovals, some triangles, some crescent moons, all of that. And these were really cute. So I can't wait to do a set with these. Okay, y'all, so these ones are similar to the first ones. I can't even open them, y'all. So I'm gonna get some scissors and then I'm gonna come back.
A few moments later.
I got some scissors. Cool girl, I can open it. But okay. So I got these. They're kind of similar to the other ones, but these ones got some moons and stars and little hearts. Y'all, just wait on the sets coming with these. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should go do that because that's where y'all gonna see these sets at. And I also got Black Friday still going on. If you haven't missed it already, this video probably gonna go up after Black Friday. So yeah, but I got these little flowers. I thought they were gonna be like the dried flowers, but they were just like paper flowers. But I know a lot of people use these to encapsulate on acrylic, but I'm gonna try to do it with press ons. Alright, y'all. And it wouldn't be a Shein haul if I didn't get something for the season. So I got these snowflakes. They're kind of like how the butterfly, you encapsulate with them. I don't know what to call them. They're just snowflakes. They're not, I don't know. Yeah, they're snowflakes, y'all. And I'm going to encapsulate with those as well. And then I also got a little bit of stuff for Valentine's Day so I can be prepared. So I got these little flowers. They're different colors. They kind of feel like, they feel like the little erasers that we had as kids, like the small ones. Yeah, that's what they feel like. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. But I thought they were really cute, so I had to get them. And this is what they look like. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I got these charms. I have a little gold rose. I thought these were really cute, so I had to get them. I also got these. They're little bows for Christmas. And it wouldn't be Christmas time without a bow. But I also thought I could use these for something else. And I also got these snowflakes. The snowflakes had little rhinestones in them. And I thought that was really cute. So, yeah, definitely gonna use those. And y'all, I got these cherries. Now, when I tell y'all, I saw these cherries on Etsy for 6 of them for like $10. And I got 10 of them for $2 on Shein. Now, they double wrap these roses. Not the roses, the cherries. They had them secured, okay? But, yeah, this is what they look like. Yeah, they're just gold and red. They're super cute. They also had some silver ones on the website as well. But I thought the gold ones would pop more. I might get the silver ones in the future. I'm not sure, though. Alright, y'all. I also got these little heels. And before y'all ask why I got some shoes for nail charms, just wait. I got something coming for y'all in the upcoming year. So go follow us on Instagram so you'll be updated. And y'all, these next charms, they have to be my favorite. Like, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. But, yeah, they're just these red and silver charms. Like, y'all cannot tell me that these aren't it. These are my favorite charms in this entire haul. Yeah, I saw them on a nail set in Pinterest, and I was like, yeah, I gotta find those. And I found them on Shein for like $2, y'all. $2. And then I also got the birth signs, and yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be coming with the birthday nails, so just wait on it.
So next we're gonna get into like decorating stuff. So I got this. There's some foils, like yeah, y'all know the little nail foils. And it's in these cute little jars, like, okay, I see y'all being fancy. But it's just 3 of them. They're a good size too, like, that's how they look in my hand. But got some rope. Oh, okay, that just spilled all over me. But it's rose gold ones. Some gold ones. I feel like they should have like put a little seal on them so they wouldn't spill out, but it's fine, I guess. I mean, they weren't expensive, they were affordable. So that's the silver one. And then y'all, when I tell y'all them pixie crystals that I had in my last haul, I love them things so much. So I had got another one with a bigger pack and more different kinds. So this is a little tray they gave you, I guess, to pour it. But y'all, these little gray ones, these are big. I don't know what I would do with these, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna use these, but they're cute. I just gotta find the right set to do them with. Now these, y'all, these are fire. Like, look at that color. Like, the camera is not doing it justice. Actually, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, y'all. Like, they did it with that. And then this is just a silver one. Yo, like, these look so good. Like, okay. Who you know got crystals on their nails like this? And then, y'all, you know, the regular pixie crystals that I had before. I'm not gonna see them for real. But, yeah. Whoo, child, y'all. It's like a good amount of stuff. I think I had like 25 items or more. I'm not even sure. But y'all got some nail foils, okay? I've been saying I wanted some nail foils for the longest, and I never got them. But then I got them, okay? And y'all, I moved the camera, okay. But y'all, I fell in love with these for, where is that? This flower one right here. No, this isn't the one. Okay, no, because these not the ones I wanted, I don't think. Maybe it was. Oh, I think it was these flowers that I fell in love with. But it was also like a lacy type of one. Child, I don't know. But these are black and white nail foils, and they super cute. And it was only like $2, I think. So y'all get at Shein, okay? And then y'all, I had to do it. This is like a tray of like different nail stuff, y'all. Like, y'all see it got different just different types of nail stuff. So the top is like chunky glitters. And with this, I'll probably mix it in like the gel pot or like with the gel pot color or something to give it some shimmer, girl. And these are all the little fine glitters at the bottom. Y'all not ready for this. And then these just got shapes in it. I see some stars, some hearts. Yeah, just hearts and stars. And these are like hexagons, pentagons, child. I don't know, but yeah, they real cute, real classy. You know. And then y'all, I got some more swatch sticks. Okay, these ones I opened them already because I had to do some swatches. But this time I just got the square shape. Last time I had oval, or oh no, I had almond last time. Sorry, y'all. I I had almond, but I just got square ones. I didn't even tell you what we moving on to. We moving on to like nail tools and stuff like that. And then I got this. It's like it says dip powder recycling system, but it comes with a little funnel, the little tray for the glitter and stuff to go in. Another tray. Oh, y'all, I'm pulling it out the things. Wait, I think I'm breaking it. Hold on now. Hold on now. Y'all, I can't open it. Okay, we're just gonna rip the box because I can't open it. Y'all, it's stuck in here. Okay, there we go. So it looks like this. And this goes on there because I pulled it off. But you just put these in there. And then, you know, you put your finger in there or the nail. And then you pour the glitter and it'll come in here. And then you pour it in a funnel and pour it back in your container. Like, that's so cute, y'all. I had to get it because, child, I told y'all I bought these glitters, so I gotta use them, you know? But, yeah. Next thing, y'all, I got these pencils. These are like, y'all know, they're not white colored pencils, okay? So I really can't write with them. Let me see. Okay, yeah, you can write with them, but I'm just getting these to like pick up the charms and stuff with, you know, little pencils, little wax pencils, little waxes. Ew, them Shein nail brushes that I got last time, in my last haul, they was some good detailing brushes. So you know what I did? You know what I did, sis? I bought a whole pack of them, okay? I bought a whole pack of them, and I'm gonna open it for y'all. So one of the tops just came off, but got some flat brushes, got some fan brushes, I think that's what they're called. I got some striping brushes. Oh, this one's bent up a little bit, but it's okay. But yeah, y'all, I had to get some new nail brushes because I swear, like, my brushes be just disappearing. I don't know what be going on. They just be here one day and not here the next. And then I got this, y'all. I got some new brushes, so I had to get a brush holder. I hope this looks good, because, okay, let's see. Alright, it's a little brush holder. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna put this together and then I'm gonna come back.
5 minutes later.
Alright, y'all. I put it together. Real simple. So I'm gonna put my brushes in here. Oh, it's upside down, y'all. My bad. But I'm gonna put my brushes in here. I probably should get another one too. I don't know, but yeah. It's real cute. Real simple. And then I might get a new cuticle cutter. Like a personal one because I somehow glued mine shut. I don't know, but yeah, I had to get a new one. But just some cuticle clippers and then some cuticle pushers, just 2 of them. I think I got a cuticle pusher in my last haul as well. But yeah, 2 different types. You know. And then y'all, I got this double-sided tape. Now I've been hearing some mixed reviews about this tape. Some people say it works good, some people say it don't. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try it out for myself. I don't want to take it out the paper because I think I'm gonna leave it in here until I use it. Actually, no, I'm gonna take it out. Obviously, when I just took it out. But yeah, y'all, it's just a roll of double-sided tape. And alright, y'all, 2 more things. So we pushing towards the end, okay? We nearing the end. We almost done. I hope y'all liking this haul so far. Like, I got some things that I thought y'all would enjoy watching me open. But I got these little napkin things. I'll put them. But they're like this, like the little dental grids that everybody uses when they're doing acrylics and stuff. Yeah, I got a pack of those. It was was only like $5, I think, or cheaper, yo. I don't remember all the prices. But I will definitely link everything down below so you guys can shop. And I'll put a discount code in the description box. You know I got y'all. Save your coins, sis. Oh, y'all ugly out like the camera, but I got this. Okay. It's a it's like a little box, like a nail art box. Let me see if I open it. Okay, there we go. But so basically I just got this to put all my charms in and stuff like that. So yeah. But y'all, that's the end of this video. Like, I think I did a pretty good job picking out some nice little things from Shein. You know, Shein did not disappoint, but they didn't disappoint last time, I don't think. But no, actually, I only had one disappointment with these nail foils, okay? And I'm going to go back and look at my order to make sure I clicked the right ones, but I thought I ordered a different pack, not these ones. But I don't know, maybe it's my fault, maybe it's their fault. It's okay though, because they still cute and I'm still using them. Yeah, that's it, y'all. If you have any questions, any videos you want me to post, like any videos y'all want to see, any nail sets that y'all want me to recreate, comment down below, and you can DM me the sets on Instagram. If you haven't shopped with me yet, sis, what you doing? The link is in the description below. Go shop, okay? And you know, as always, I'm gonna hook y'all up with a discount code. Use the code YTBABE. I'm gonna put it on the screen so y'all can see it and get 20% off your order, girl. Okay. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. All of our social medias will be down below.